over my windshield. I can tell it's gonna be a cold winter. I hate the defrost, I never turn the heat off. And still I'm so chillin' with a snowflake. These silly billies really fair to act as if they know Drake. Always gossiping, calling and texting. Magneto niggas trying to bring down X-Men. Telling my ex-girl, trying to explain how I am no good, so go with the next man. But dawg, you don't know me, you don't know us. We go by the name of A-T-F. In any previous affiliation, they know to hold their tongue and I spare them humiliation. I know you in and out, nigga, I am not playing. Just fall back, keep on escaping and alizing. And stop trying to act like you like me and my team, not us, so you knock us. That's precisely what I mean. And dawg, it's forever clear, my money evergreen. Presence required in places you have never been. It's all in a day's work, that's what I am on. NBC, MTV, Viacom. And whose Continental GT is outside showing them how monumental he be. One wheel on the curb, ticket on the dash. It's like every fucking summer I just switch it on their ass. And man, I'm a commodity, none of them as hot as me. The industry standard, so I am what they gotta be. Cause Drake syllables is like Jake Gyllenhaal. Can't help it, I've been brainwashed to kill them all. I think I should pass my own amendment. You frontin' with glass all in your pendant. You ain't living rapper, you never have been. You a has-been, a gas station attendant. Your man is a turkey, you with a liar. Clearing the air, I'm a humidifier. I'm spitting fire and getting flyer. And what you planning for this summer, I did it prior. I've shattered shows, tattered clothes, met status quos. This is the South and I am present when it matters most. The starting top, but pay attention to my latter flows. Giving brain ain't bad, girl, don't be that opposed. I flatter hoes and drink dog. They always ask me, is that a rose? You need rosé? Why yes it is. I stopped trying years ago, this is effortless. I'm in your house, got the key to your home. I am Jeopardy ass, Wikipedia known. I am AA driven and Expedia flown. So stop checking my style, you would need your own.
Speak French now. Grow shit 10 time to take 'em in an inch now. You hit me up like, do you wanna hang right now? I'm on the south side up on Martin Luther King right now. Do you wanna watch? Do you know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of me right now. All I'm talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You ain't ever come to me. You ain't ever come to me. All I'm asking you is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You ain't ever come to me. You ain't ever come to me.
I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded, no. And I believed you when they told me don't. Well, either way, you're still invited, and I can't even lie to you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Oh,
y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me.
all she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
And then cook that shit. And what we gave back was crack music. And now we ooze it through they nooks and crannies. So our mamas ain't got to be they cooks and nannies. And we gon' repo everything they ever took from Granny. Now the former slaves trade hooks for Grammys. This dark diction has become America's addiction. Those who ain't even black use it. We gon' keep bagging up this here crack music.